So here are the materials that I need to make a new screen door for chicken coop. This stall will become a new chicken coop for the time being, for 28 layers that we're getting tomorrow. And so this is the job that I must tackle, and hopefully I will have not too many interruptions. Is that straight? So here is the basic design of our door. An hour and a half later, and this is what I have. The door jamb itself is old barn, so you know it's not very straight. But we just need to put some chicken wire on it, and we'll be good to go. Chicken wire, the hinges are on, and a handle. This is our final product, our screen door. And I only had to make a few adjustments because, like I said before, it's not really level. The door frame was not level. So we've got our handle and our hook and eye to keep the kitties out or in. And then when you come in, we've got another hook and eye here so that it's easier to do with two hands. But the dogs don't come in after you. You can shut it up and everybody's safe. So we used 1/2 inch gauged wire, and I think that will work great because it's a little bit stronger than regular chicken wire, so the dogs can't push on it and bend it as easily. We also put 2 braces here. One kind of where the dog's head goes, and then one where you would naturally push it to open it and close it. So that's our new screen door.